Do you have any idea of the most expensive house on this planet? No, it's not in America, London, or Canada, and it is not owned by Jeff Bezos or Bill Gates, etc. It is in the inner city of Mumbai, India, not far from the poverty-stricken slums on the renowned Altamont Road. Yes, there stands Antilia, the most expensive home ever created, owned by Mukesh Ambani, a petroleum titan, chairman of Reliance Industries, and of course, the richest man in India. So allow me to take you on a virtual informative tour of this luxurious house. It has 27 stories stretching up to 568 feet. It is named after a mythical island in the Atlantics. It has an entire 6 floors dedicated to parking that can accommodate up to 168 cars, and somewhere on the car lot also lies a car service station. The home also has 3 helipads placed on its roof. There are 9 elevators, and in the first 2 stories there are numerous recreation centers. It contains a huge temple, a private movie theater, a ballroom, and multiple balconies and terraces with luscious hanging gardens. The home also comes fitted with an ice room to mimic winter wonderland that has a snow generator to spit out snowflakes. The structure was designed by architects Perkins and Will out of Chicago, and the interior designs by an Australian company called Lighton Holdings. So technically, Antilia is the second most expensive residential property in the world, considering Buckingham Palace as the first that worth $5 billion. However, Buckingham Palace is considered as a crown property, whereas Antilia is a private residence with some pricing estimates as high as $2 billion. If we talk about the construction of Antilia, it took 4 years to complete from 2006 to 2010. Then in June 2011, almost 50 renowned pundits were invited to conduct pujas and address Vastu issues in the building, after which the Ambanis took up residence in September 2011. Earlier we talked about the hanging gardens, right? So this vegetation attached to the sides of the building are meant to absorb sunlight in order to keep the interior as cool as possible. This 400,000 square feet building is home to just 6 people, but there are 600 workers who take care of this house, including cooks, cleaners, and security. So one floor of Antilia is entirely dedicated to accommodate these 600 workers who maintain Antilia with their respective families. This incredible structure is crafted with Hindu influence and religious symbolism. The interior designs uses the shapes of the lotus and the sun. These 2 features are repeated throughout the building. However, the main concern is consistency, not repetition. Also, these 27 floors are divided into 6 sections that are meant to reflect earth, water, fire, air, sound, and light. The materials used for this theme include marbles, crystal, and mother of pearl. There are many statues of Hindu deities throughout the home. It is especially designed to withstand a magnitude 8 earthquake. Antilia is also assigned with Z-level security, for which they have to pay rupees 15 to 16 lakhs per month. Usually, Z security, which is the 3rd highest level of security in India, is provided to an individual if they approach Home Ministry of India with terror threat on them. This house is truly one of a kind, with something unique and different in every floor, as we have seen from swimming pools and crystal chandeliers to a multi-story garage. In a nutshell, this lavish house Antilia has anything and everything you can imagine in your dream home. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share your views in the comment section below, and please like the video and subscribe the channel and keep following Overdose Now for more such content.